Hey you guys, welcome back. This run was supposed to be a lot of fun. Instead, just a few hours later, I was stranded with a flat tire. And somehow, that wasn't even the biggest problem. Because before I could really ride it, I had to tear the entire bike apart and bring it back to life. After some time, the question was, would all that work actually be worth it? A while ago, I bought the Sur-Ron. At first glance, it didn't look too bad, but the closer I looked, the more issues I found. Scratch parts, worn components, dirt and neglect everywhere. Nothing catastrophic, but enough to know one thing. Before I could enjoy riding it, I had some work to do. So I decided to restore it. The plan sounded simple. Take it apart, clean everything, replace what needed attention, put it back together. At least, that's what I thought. Because as soon as I started removing parts, I realized this project was becoming much bigger than I expected. Every piece I removed revealed something else that needed attention. What started as a cleanup quickly turned into a full restoration.
I have to wait for the handlebar here, then I can mount the new black ones over there. Yeah, but for now, till the handlebar is here, I will let it like that. And yeah, mount the carbon parts, the seat. Oh yeah, and the feetings, yeah, the ones here.
Eventually, everything started coming together. The bike looked completely different from the day I bought it. Cleaner, better, almost like a new bike. After all those hours, I was finally ready for the first proper ride.
Deine Aufnahme läuft im Fall gar nicht.
Nein!
Mal.
Halt die Schnurren.
I don't know if you see how steep it is, but it's really steep. Oh no. Oh no. No, please not. No. No, please not. Drive.
Oh guys, my Sur-Ron always have the same problem. If there is a long, steep hill, I don't know if the battery is too hot or the controller gets too hot, and then it always stops to supply the full energy. Then I have to do like with my feet. And look, my slow friend is going faster than me. I had exactly the same problem last time on the same hill. My Sur-Ron is fast, but the biggest pain, this problem with the battery or the controller. I don't know what it is. Maybe if someone of you knows what it is, let me know.
Ja, halbwegs.
Nee!
So, kann ich PR zum Tapo, wenn ich...
Wir sind wenig viel zu langsam.
Wieso, so geht im Geist oder so?
Ja, nicht das Problem bei mir. Hast du genug zum Nachfahren? Ja, du musst jetzt nicht genau hier drauf stehen. Abfahren. The first few minutes were exactly what I imagined. I had a lot of fun. It seemed like all the work had paid off. But after some time, something felt off. A flat tire.
Keine Ahnung. Ich habe noch gedacht, das kann nicht sein, aber wenn ich Luft. Ja. Ah, Bro, dann geht ja alles kaputt. the tires completely gone. Look at the tire. Oh, it's done. Sad. No chance.
After all that effort, the ride was over almost before it began. Honestly, it was frustrating. I had spent so much time getting the bike ready, fix everything, put new parts on, and now that...
So guys, we are now back in the garage again. Try to fix the broken parts and then we are ready to go for another drive. Guys, we have to change the plan. I tried, but yeah, honestly it's too hard. I now dismounted both tires, the front and the rear tire, and yeah, I'm going now to the local dealership and give the tires to him.
I was not able to do it. I now packed up both tires. Now I'm going to the local dealer. It looks like this at the moment.
I'm now back with 2 new tires.
It was an absolute legend. I have now both tires back, and yeah, I can now start to mount them back onto the bike.
Finally, the tire was repaired. Everything was checked one more time and the bike was ready again. And now, have fun. And now that it's finally running the way it should, the real adventures can begin.